For G Steve. You're not jigging the max spin rise. Might be late. Let's see. I got 25. Hold on. We got. I'm gonna sit there. Oh, can't see that because the brimmos. They're adjusted. Okay, boy. This side now. Ramsky just got that joint out of there. Right there. I think probably sitting low. Maybe scraping. See, I had to bring out the big gun grinder. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, now it's the back. The splurging for this joint. Fucking white theme going on here. Is you on NBC? I got it. Before 10 clicks, she's like in the middle of hard and soft.
Or 12, I had one split.
Spots by Gunner.
Thinking about the back that I don't know if I'm gonna do is they got these extenders to be adjusted.
My lord. On this side. Dang. Go low. And now it's cool. Whoop. Might have to throw them fenders on this side. I see, might have to throw the fenders on this side. Yeah, that drink. Bring it by here.
In the back?
Look at it. This side good now. Oh, can't show that. Any different so far? Lucky for the same. I'm saying lucky for the same.
Nothing too crazy, but still nice.
It's not doing this no more. Now the front end usually come up. Let's see how it feels. Oh, it's green. I don't cap. VCs is it.
Felt like nothing.
Look good though. Yeah. It's been like a couple months though since the VCs, so I can get that full review. Them joints is worth it, boy. Got looking sitting good. But yeah, I would go BC if I was y'all. Probably definitely the best mod. This little nigga. Nigga always in that hoodie. So funny. You got me. It's cold as shit out here, boy. That sun. You ain't gotta be out this shot, boy. How? You camera shy? Yeah, man. Like I said, I would go BC's. Supposed to have another camera and get rolls, but somebody wants to stay in the house. Sorry, Sam. Somebody else wants to stay in the house. The hood. You said what? It's g35?
G35, oh shit, alright.
Got a little video going, bro. Last time we couldn't pop the hood because the hood, the hood, what was it? Hood hinges, damn. The bitch is bad, so you know we got a Z1. Got a Z1 here. Bueno. Headers, BC. We're gonna show the BC, man. Get the BC. Alright, yeah, man, go cheer. Come on, Dre, man.
Then I fucking came both times.
Nope.
Yes, I did.
Nope. Nigga talking about his shit need wash. His shit don't need wash. Look at that. Why? Nigga in the fucking G8 I don't know, bro. I was trying to tell this nigga 40. This nigga just flooring that shit. I'm hating that shit, man. 40, man. Stop just flooring it when I connect you. I got a downshift. This shit was faster than that. It's automatic though. Way more better as a manual. Got the G. Last video since this, they got a paint job. Lower it. Finally getting his car right. I got it looking good. Look at these hoodlums. Finally not black for that no more. This shit looking good. I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna bite off him. Give him Dark Vader. Oh yeah, fog lights too. You know what I'm saying? Fog lights. Look like a good ass fucking. Damn. No more AJ Kuhn, we'll go Jira. AJ Kuhn's on the wall. Yeah, this is looking clean. I ain't guess it's a hard ass. It's gonna be a lot of editing, bro. You wanna show your show engine, Kel?
What?
Your show engine?
What do you mean my show?
The show edition Taurus?
I mean, yeah, this is
Look at the tent. We got, how much you pushing to the wheel? 310?
about 550.
550?
We got the grandma shit.
Oh!
These add about like 350, so
Oh.
basically like 850.
Hold on, let me see that supercharger. Let me see
That's
that.
it. Oh, you want to see it?
Let me see that shit. Ain't cat. This motherfucker probably beat both of them bitches. This bitch get down.
Look at that.
Got some tent minded. You back there doing whatever you want to do. Hey, this little nigga. Oh my God. Ready to do super.
Now look at this, buddy.
Look at that.
Now this.
3.0 supercharged engine.
Yeah. Pretty handworm, really. Got the battery acid leaking. It's gotta happen on all my cars for some reason. Don't know why.
It just got so much power. It has to. Just-
I need to get some hood pins, to be honest with
oh
you.
my God, hood pins. I wish I had the bird right now.
My hood flies off sometimes when I'm
Yeah.
driving.
How much? What's the quarter mile? Any like 7 seconds?
Yeah.
Or is it 6?
7.6,
6
like,
second, quarter
depending
mile.
on how much boost I have pushed up. Like,
God, he got the slicks on.
yeah.
Hubcap 4 edition.
I got some leaves on me. Shit. Yeah, got me.
And you need that little wing on the back now. That bubble.
I got the antenna. I get
Look at that one.
station ever.
You got a stick shift actually. You just got to go outside and shit the gear.
Someone's got to sit in the back, have their head out the window.
Shit the gear. Just don't blow the engine. RX-7? Oh
Also got
yeah.
the RX-7 headlights.
Shut up, tail lights. RX-7 style.
For sure the best car around here, for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Faster than both of these. Probably the fastest car in this neighborhood. I ain't gonna cap.
On my tire marks too.
Look, this nigga been in some crazy. He be spinning that motherfucker. Rear wheel drive?
Yep.
All wheel drive actually. Fuck it.
Rear wheel drive conversion.
Spinning 4 wheels.
You might hit a little one pill there. They start ready to fucking twisting that shit.